Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change payment method in Stripe. So guys, the first thing that you will do is simply go to stripe.com, and from here just make sure you sign in into your account, and after that just simply click on the dashboard over here. And from here, once you are on your dashboard, just simply click on the settings over here at the top right, and a drop down will show up, and just simply go to settings. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and go to payments over here at the product settings section. And now once you are on the payments, just simply go ahead and click on a payment method. And from here, guys, you should be able to see here multiple payment method that you can choose from. So guys, if you want to turn off a specific payment method, you can just simply click on it, and after that you'll be able to turn it off over here. And from here, guys, just simply turn off the payment method that you don't want, and from there, guys, you should be able to customize here your payment method, and after that you'll be able to change your payment method in Stripe as long as you narrow down the active payment method. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.